Hello, hope you are doing good. I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Typeform. Typeform is one of the best online form builders. As you can see right here, you'll be able to create numerous forms from order forms, feedback forms, satisfaction forms, or business surveys. There are numerous templates that you can quickly edit even as a complete beginner. All you'll need to do is go onto typeform.com. Then from there you can tap on get started, or you can select sign up in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you're going to enter your email address, and then after entering your email address you can create a password, or you can choose to sign up using your Gmail account. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and all you'll need to do is tap on get set up. Then from there you can select your main reason for using Typeform. So I'm going to select personal. After selecting personal, what's the one main activity you want to do with Typeform? And you can select whether it is to get feedback, manage events, projects or requests, generate leads, get signups or recruit talent, engage, nurture or educate my audience, conduct research, accept payments. So I'm going to tap on generate leads and get signups. Then what will you use Typeform to create first? And you have 4 different options, whether it is a quiz, a demo, or another type of form for lead generation, or I don't know as yet. I'm going to select I don't know as yet. Then how did you first discover Typeform? So I'll simply tap online search. Then let's do this. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to the main dashboard. And from here, you can choose whether you'd like to start things off by creating with AI or import questions from Google Form. But I would recommend that you tap on Start from Scratch. After selecting Start from Scratch, you will be redirected to this page. And you can give your form a name. Then what are you creating? And from here, you can scroll down. You have different options that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, we are creating a contact form. I will select contact form, then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you'll simply close the pop-up right here. Once on this page, you can see a sample contact form right here. And you can see the question, hello, what's your name? And from there, you could select multiple choice and you could add the questions that you would like to ask. Or you could tap right here and we could select contact info. After selecting contact info, you can see that it has added the regular questions that you would like to ask about someone contacts, as you can see right there, which would be their first, last name, phone number, email address. If it is a case that you would like to add another element, all you'll need to do, you can see right here, you can see the different element options right here. So if you would like to hide one of the options, so let's say for example, I don't want to ask their last name, I can simply tap on it from the right hand menu option and it has now removed last name question. If I would like to ask something else, I would like to add something else to this contact form, all I would need to do is tap right here where you see contact info. Then from there you can see short questions, you can see pictures, you can see there are numerous other stuff that I can simply add to it. So you can see them right there. And I can also change the image if I want. So I could tap right here on the current image. So let's say I wanted to change this image. Then I could tap on change. After you have selected change, from there, you could select upload and you could upload an image, or you can simply go onto my gallery, and from there, if you have any images that you have used in the past, you would be able to select them. And by tapping on connect right here, after selecting connect, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you'll be able to integrate Typeform with these platforms. And this is one of the standout features when it comes onto Typeform. as it offers numerous options for integrations, as you can see right there. Now, if you don't want to integrate it, you can simply tap on share from the top menu option. After you have tapped on share, you have a few options. The first thing you could do, you could copy the link and then you'll be able to share the link with anyone. Or you can also get a QR code if you want, or if it is a case that you would like to embed it on your website. So let's say I would like to embed it on my Google Sites. All I would need to do is tap on embed in web page. After you have selected that, you're going to simply tap on start embedding. But the first thing you'll need to do, you're going to have to publish it. So you'll tap on publishing in the top right hand corner. So let me do that real quick. Once it has been published, you can see right there start embedding, and you're just going to give it a few seconds. So you can see this is it, and you can see that you're also provided with some options. So you can use the standard form, you can select full page if you want, or if you would prefer it to be a pop-up form, you can tap on pop-up, as you can see right here. After you have tapped on pop-up, or you have selected the option that you want, and by the way, you can also scroll down and change the size of the pop-up. So you could change it from large to medium or to small, as you can see here. You can also change the button text if you want by tapping right here where the text is. You could change that. Now we're going to tap on start embedding. After you have selected start embedding, you're going to tap on copy, and right where you see embed your Tyeform with WordPress, you can tap right there. And if it is a Squarespace website you're embedding it on, you can select that. Webflow or Shopify, you can select that. Since I'm using it on Google Sites, I'll select general embeds. Then I'm going to tap on copy. After it has been copied, I'm going to go into Google Sites, and let's say for example I were to select a blank site just for example's sake. Then I'm going to tap on embed from the right hand menu option, select embed code, then you're going to paste the code right here. After doing that, you're going to tap on next. Once you have tapped on next, you will see an example of the pop-up. Then you can tap on insert, and after selecting insert, the pop-up will now be there, as you can see right here. So if you were to tap on publish, so let's say we were to tap on publish real quick, and let me quickly create a domain name, then tap on publish once more. After I've selected publish, if I were to tap on view so I can view it live, you will now see the pop up. So let's see if it is working. So you can see it is loading up right there. So based on how it looks right here, you can see that it is not working. So what I would recommend you do instead, we'll delete this, and we're going to go back into Tyeform, and instead of selecting a pop-up, let us select something else. So let's say for example we were to select standard. So now what you'll need to do, after changing the embed type to standard or full page, you're going to tap on apply changes right here. After doing that, you're going to tap on view code. Then you're going to copy the new code, then go back into Google Sites, then tap on embed. From here, you're going to select embed code, and you're going to paste the code in, then tap on next, and you can now see the example right here. Then you're going to tap on insert. After selecting insert, you can see that our form has now been added, and you can simply pull it out right there to adjust the size or shape of the form, and you can see it right there, and you can continue adjusting it. And if we were to tap on publish in the top right hand corner, so let's say we were to tap on publish real quick, and you can see the currently published, you can see it right here. This is it, and you'll simply tap on publish. So let's do that, and this is how it looks at the moment. If we were to tap on view so you could see it live, this is how our website looks right now. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.